filed in Supreme Court to cancel exams due to rising COVID cases. Singapore to shut schools from Wednesday to curb COVID-19 infection. CLAT 2021 scheduled to be held on June 13th postponed. UP government orders schools and colleges to start online classes from May 20th. Decision on RBSC board exams to be announced soon. Triple IT Delhi launches virtual summer camp for government school students. West Bengal postpones board exams for classes 10 and 12. There will be no mass promotions for class 12 GSEB students. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You are watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: a plea has been filed before the Supreme Court seeking directions to the centre to cancel the Class 12 exams in view of the surge in COVID-19 cases. The petition filed by an advocate said the results of Class 12 students will be declared based on objective methodology within a specific time frame. The petition said conducting Class 12 board examination is not possible because of surging COVID-19 cases. Even online or offline examinations are not feasible because of the unprecedented pandemic. Delay in the declaration of Class 12 results will hamper students taking admission in foreign universities. The petition filed by lawyer Mamta Sharma has made the Centre Board of Secondary Education and the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination as parties in the case. The plea contended that due to the unprecedented health emergency and surge in COVID-19 cases in the country, it is not possible to conduct an examination, and any further delay would cause irreparable loss to the future of students. Meanwhile, the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, said on Friday that it has not taken any decision yet on Class 12 board exams, even as a section of students and parents have been demanding cancellation of exams in view of the pandemic situation. Singapore will shut primary and secondary schools from Wednesday, with students shifting to home-based learning until the term ends on May 28th. The Education Ministry said on Sunday as authorities try to curb the rising coronavirus infections. The fresh curbs come after Singapore confirmed 38 locally transmitted COVID-19 cases, the highest daily numbers in months. The Education Ministry in its statement said, with the sharp increase in the number of community cases, including the spike in unlinked cases today, there is a need to reduce interactions and avoid the risk of large clusters. The common law admission test scheduled to be held on June 13, 2021 has been postponed due to the surge in COVID-19 cases. The new date of the admission test will be notified in due course, an official said. Further, the last date for submission of online application has been extended to June 15, 2021. The Executive Committee of the Consortium of National Law Universities met on Saturday, in which the decision was taken after reviewing the surge of COVID-19 pandemic in the country and keeping in view of health and safety of all stakeholders of CLAT. The candidates who desire to appear in CLAT 2021 are advised to keep visiting the website consortium of nlus.ac.in. The government of Uttar Pradesh has ordered all the schools and colleges in the state to begin online classes for students from May 20th so that they don't miss out on their studies during the COVID-19 lockdown. Students of all classes will be able to attend online classes from May 20th, apart from those who are in primary classes. No dates for the resumption of physical classes in schools and colleges have been issued by the Uttar Pradesh government yet. Online classes will not resume for students of primary classes from May 20th as per the state government. The dates for the same will be communicated by the authorities in due time. Meanwhile, the lessons for all other classes will resume. The government of Uttar Pradesh will be deciding on the conduction of the upcoming UP Class 10 and 12 board exams soon. As of now, the government has not issued any official statement regarding the cancellation of the exams. The government of Rajasthan has not taken any final call on the conduction or cancellation of the RBSC Class 10 and Class 12 board examinations yet, though the decision is expected to be announced by the authorities soon. The board had earlier announced the postponement of Class 10 and 12 board exams for this academic session, but students are still pushing for the cancellation of the board exams, keeping in mind the current COVID-19 situation. Now the board will be announcing the final decision regarding the conduction or cancellation of the upcoming Class 10 and Class 12 board exams. It is also expected that the state government will end up postponing the board exams further. The government of Rajasthan is currently being pushed by parents, teachers and students to cancel the upcoming board exams for the physical and mental health of the candidates. However, no decision in this regard has been made by the state government yet. The Indraprasth Institute of Information Technology, Delhi has announced Season 5 of its summer camp for government school students. Since 2016, IIIT Delhi has been conducting summer camps for students of classes 8 and 9 of government schools. In 2021, the institute is organizing a virtual summer camp for students of classes 8 and 9 of government schools. The summer camp will commence on May 17th and conclude on June 18th. The students will be taught concepts of mathematics, problem solving, communication skills, personality development, general sciences, and entrepreneurship. A new module on entrepreneurship has been added to the curriculum. The students will also be given a chance to be a part of activity sessions like origami, sketching, and storytelling. Interactive sessions will be conducted to help students generate creative ideas and thoughts. Just after announcing a 14-day lockdown in the state due to a surge in COVID cases, the West Bengal government on Saturday postponed the state board exams scheduled to be held in June. While the Class 10 exams were scheduled to begin from June 1st, the Class 12 exams were to begin from June 15th. The state will announce the revised schedule with reasonably sufficient time in hand, as said by the Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay. According to him, making arrangements for holding the exams would be difficult during the lockdown period. Chief Minister Vijay Rupani on Saturday said there will be no mass promotions for Class 12 students of Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board in the state. We are not thinking to mass promote students of Class 12 standard, but once the COVID situation is under control, then we will decide on when to conduct the examinations, said Rupani. Earlier, the state government had announced to conduct board exams for classes 10 and 12 between May 10th and 25th. On Thursday, the state decided to promote all 8.72 lakh regular students of class 10 studying under GSH SEB in view of the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situation. Due to the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, the GSH SED has already promoted the students of classes 1 to 9th and class 11 to their next classes without exams. The board even released a set of guidelines for mass promotion of students of classes 9 and 11. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.